Example 7.2. Dividends with constant growth, and the growth rate is less than the discount rate. So the growth rate here is 3%, it's less than the discount rate of 5%. And the dividend today was $2. And then, so first we'll use the formula that was described, and equals D1. D1 is D0 times parenthesis 1 plus growth rate divided by parenthesis R, the discount rate, minus the growth rate. That's what the expected price is going to be. We can see it in decimals. It's going to be a round number, 103.00. Now, we will see this using the discounted cash flows, actual discounted cash flows, and see how it tapers off to this 103 value. This time, we'll actually do a graph, which we didn't do in example 7.1. So, this is the dividend or cash flow. So for an investor, the cash flow is dividend itself from the stock. And so equals, the first period dividend is the 0th period dividend, so previous dividend times parenthesis 1 plus this. So $M, $1, $M, $1. And this will keep growing like this. So first let's just go till 100 periods. So Control G, M103, and then paste, Control V. Oh, let's try again. Control C, Control G, M103, Shift Control up, Control V. Okay, we have 100 period dividends here now. Now let's find out the present value of this cash flow. Equals this divided by parenthesis 1 plus the discount rate is in the cell N1, 5%, $N, $1. Actually, $N is overkill. We just need N, $1, because as we move down, we don't need that row number 1 to shift to the power of time. And so this also we can copy and paste it through. And then the cumulative present value. So first is, this is the first value, and then equals this plus this. Control C, left arrow, control down, right arrow, shift control up, Control V. And we can see it's not tapered off yet. So let's go to 500 periods. Control G, M503. Let's go to 500 periods and see. It's still not tapered off. Let's go to M703. Yeah, it has tapered off now. As you can see, it's tapered off to $103. So that was first obtained in, this is 3 decimal places. So it first rounded off to from 4 decimals to $103 at about 637 periods. We can see this in a graph actually. Cumulative present value versus time. So let's plot it. Alt-IH. Okay. So the cumulative present value kind of tapers off at 200 periods. After that, it doesn't grow much. So we saw that, kind of. So at 200 periods, it's not growing by much, but it's not reaching its final value. So that's the brilliance of Excel. It actually helps us connect the formula with the way it's done in first principles. And that's example 7.2. Thank you for listening.